Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 3rd, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. We're starting on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, like I've been saying, I think this is either an expanding flat, which would target this area down here, or it's a running flat, which means it would make a little bit of a higher low compared to this low right here. So we probably would be targeting like the 78% Fibonacci retracement or the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A. So for now, we are definitely still very bearish. I mean, there's no break of structure. There's no engulfing up at a Fibonacci level. There's definitely no reason yet to say that this downtrend is over. So going down to the shorter time phase, that means we would definitely still be looking for shorts in a downtrend. Not a very big pullback right here, but that's definitely what happens sometimes when you hit a strong trend. We had our Fibonacci retracement on the last impulse to move down. It definitely is a three-way pullback. I mean, one up, three down, one up. It definitely did respect the 38%, as you can see, and now it's making another golfing move to the downside. You know, like I always say, unfortunately, the strategy right now is to either be waiting for a pullback to go short again, or the strategy is to already be short and waiting for an exit. Definitely wouldn't want to try to go short right at the bottom of a wave, and I definitely wouldn't want to go long because that would be fighting the higher time frame trend, and the higher time frame trend is always your friend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.